Hey everyone, welcome back to eGreen Channel, the channel where culture, insight, geopolitics, plant-based nutrition, and real healthy life. Today we're diving into something truly special, a recipe that's not just delicious but also incredibly beneficial for your heart health. Take a look at this beautiful, vibrant bowl of soup. This isn't just any soup. It's a powerhouse of natural ingredients specifically chosen to help manage and lower blood pressure. In a world where so many of us are looking for natural ways to support our well-being, this recipe is a game changer. It's warm, comforting, and packed with everything your body needs to feel its best. Forget those bland, uninspired health foods. We're about to show you how to make something that tastes amazing and works with your body, not against it. So if you're ready to cook up some wellness, let's get started. First things first, let's talk about our all-star lineup of ingredients. The secret to a truly heart-healthy soup lies in using fresh whole foods, and we've got the best of the best right here. We're starting with a base of low-sodium vegetable broth. This is super important because high sodium is a major contributor to high blood pressure, so always check the label. Next, our vibrant veggies. We have bright orange carrots, which are rich in potassium, a key mineral for balancing sodium levels in your body. Then we have these gorgeous ripe tomatoes. They are loaded with lycopene and potassium, both fantastic for cardiovascular health. And of course, we can't forget leafy greens. We're using fresh spinach today, which is packed with nitrates that help relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. For our aromatic base, we have powerful garlic and onions. Garlic is famous for its ability to help lower blood pressure naturally, and onions add a wonderful depth of flavor. We'll also use some celery, another potassium hero, and maybe a little bit of red bell pepper for extra vitamin C and sweetness. To finish, we'll use some fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro for a burst of freshness. Every single one of these ingredients is chosen for a reason, working together in harmony to create a soup that's a true gift to your heart. Now that we've met our ingredients, it's time for the prep work. This is where the magic begins. The first and most important step is to wash all your vegetables thoroughly. We want to make sure we're getting rid of any dirt or residue. A good rinse under cold water is all it takes. For the carrots and celery, I'll give them a quick chop into bite-sized pieces. You don't have to be too precise here. Especially if you plan on blending the soup later. We just want them to be roughly the same size so they cook evenly. For the onion, I'll do a simple dice, and for our garlic, I like to give it a fine mince. Mincing the garlic releases more of its beneficial compounds and infuses the entire soup with that wonderful savory flavor. The tomatoes can be roughly chopped as well. They'll break down beautifully as they cook, and for the spinach, we'll just give it a rough chop to make it easier to eat. This whole process is so therapeutic, the colors, the fresh smells. It's a great way to connect with your food. Remember, taking a few minutes to prepare your ingredients properly sets you up for a smooth and enjoyable cooking experience. Everything is now prepped and ready to go. Let's head over to the stove. Alright, the kitchen is smelling amazing already, and we're just getting to the best part, the cooking process. I have a large pot or Dutch oven here, heating over medium heat. The first thing we're going to do is add a little bit of olive oil. Just a tablespoon is enough. Once the oil is shimmering, in go our aromatics. We'll start with the diced onions and celery. We're going to these for about 3 to 4 minutes, just until they start to soften and become translucent. You'll see them start to glisten, and the smell is just incredible. This step is all about building a foundation of flavor for our soup. Once the onions are soft, it's time to add our minced garlic. We'll cook the garlic for just about 30 seconds to a minute until it's fragrant. Be careful not to let it burn, or it will become bitter. You just want to toast it lightly to release its wonderful aroma. Now that our base is perfectly fragrant, it's time to add the rest of our chopped vegetables. In go the carrots and tomatoes. We'll give everything a good stir, coating all the vegetables in that flavorful aromatic base. We'll let them cook for just a couple of minutes to soften slightly. The final stage of cooking is where all those individual flavors come together to create something truly special. We're now going to pour in our low-sodium vegetable broth. Make sure you add enough broth to cover all the vegetables completely. This will ensure everything cooks through and we have a lovely soupy consistency. Give it all one last gentle stir, and then we're going to bring the soup to a boil. Once it reaches a rolling boil, we'll reduce the heat to low, cover the pot with a lid, and let it simmer. This is the part that requires a little patience, but it's so worth it. We'll let it simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the carrots are tender when you pierce them with a fork. This slow simmer allows all the nutrients and flavors from the vegetables to infuse into the broth. About 5 minutes before it's done, we'll stir in our chopped spinach. It will look like a lot at first, but it wilts down in just a minute or two, adding a beautiful green color and a huge boost of nutrients. The aroma filling the kitchen right now is just absolutely divine. It's the smell of pure, wholesome goodness. Our soup has finished simmering, and the vegetables are perfectly tender. Now you have a choice. You can serve it just as it is, a beautiful, chunky vegetable soup that's hearty and satisfying. Or if you prefer a smoother, creamier texture, you can blend it. I'm going to use an immersion blender for this, which makes it super easy. You can just blend it right in the pot. If you don't have an immersion blender, you can carefully transfer the soup in batches to a regular blender. Just be sure to let it cool slightly first, and don't overfill the blender. I love blending it because it creates this incredibly velvety, luxurious soup that feels so comforting. Look at that gorgeous color. Now it's time to serve. I'll ladle this beautiful soup into a bowl. And for the final touch, we'll garnish it with some fresh parsley. This adds a pop of color and a final burst of fresh flavor. And there you have it. A delicious, heart-healthy soup designed to help lower blood pressure naturally. It's proof that eating for your health can be an absolutely joyful and tasty experience. Thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen today. I really hope you give this incredible blood pressure lowering soup a try. It's more than just a meal. It's an act of self-care. Every spoonful is packed with flavor and goodness that your body will thank you for. Remember, small, consistent changes in our diet can have a huge impact on our overall health. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to eGreen channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our new videos. We have so many more healthy and delicious recipes coming your way, and if you do make this soup, I'd love to hear about it. Drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Your feedback means the world to us. Stay healthy, stay happy, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching eGreen channel.